Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today I'm going to be demonstrating a custom version of our DC-80T Up-Term-IN Up-Timer. This model is being shipped off to Hitsquad Ninja, which is a sporting company, and they have requested one of our up-timers for their Ninja obstacle course. What makes this different from our regular models is that it comes with two stainless steel remote controls that both have a start, stop, and reset function. These remote controls are wired directly into the enclosure with a 200 feet cable cord, and they are meant to have the same exact functions as one another. So I'm going to be going over the functions of this model. So as you can see here, we have our two stainless steel remote controls that are directly wired into the enclosure, and as you can see here, one has a green button and the other has a red button, and the green button is meant to be the starting point from which the Ninja Runner is meant to start from, and the red button is meant to be the end point from which the Ninja Runner is meant to stop at. So I'm going to press down on one of the buttons. And as you can see, by pressing the green button, it starts up. Now at this point, the Ninja Runner makes it to the end, and he presses down on the red button, and that stops it. And I'm going to press on the red button again to reset it back to 0. Now as I stated before, both these controllers have the same exact function. So in other words, I can press start right here on the green button, and then I can press it again to stop it. And the reason why that is say that the Ninja Runner starts off at the wrong time, or like there's an accident and we have to immediately stop the time and go see what that accident is. That's what the function is for. And likewise, the green button can also reset it back to 0. So I'm going to do the same exact thing for the red button. It also has a start, stop, and reset function. So pressing on it one time starts the time. Pressing the red button again stops the time. And pressing it again, as you've just seen before, resets the time back to 0. So going over the hardware, it is a tough aluminum enclosure that is fingerprint resistant, and it is black powder coated. Its display size is 8 inches and it could be viewed up to 400 feet. It has 4 digits, each comprised of 5mm oval LEDs that are adjusted specifically for the use of indoors. Its power type is a 100 to 240 VAC wall adapter that is grounded directly into the enclosure with a 6-feet power cable. And lastly, for mounting, it comes with 4 slotted teardrop mounting tabs, which can be found directly on the back on the top of the enclosure. So again, this has been Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating a special version of our DC-80T Up-Term-IN Up-Timer with 2 stainless steel remote controls. Thank you for watching.